When a couple living in an 18th century North Yorkshire village home embarked on a renovation project, they were ready to spend money, and redoing the old kitchen floor was on the list. But before they could get past the first stage of tearing out the old floorboards, the renovation workers stumbled upon a rare coin hoard, numbering more than 260 coins. Ironically, what they found under their ancient kitchen floor increased their fortunes by $280,000, 281,000 euros. That's the rough estimated auction value of the rare coin hoard found under their kitchen floorboards, which is now being sold off by Spink & Son, an auctioneer nearly as old as the coins in North Yorkshire hoard. A mixed rare coin hoard under an 18th century kitchen floor. In 2019, in the village of Elysium, in the historical home the North Yorkshire couple had lived in for 10 years, early kitchen floor renovations led to a rare coin hoard fortune. According to the Smithsonian Magazine, workers who lifted the floorboards encountered an obstruction that they initially believed to be an electrical cable buried in concrete. Further investigation revealed a salt-glazed earthenware tumbler, no bigger than a soda, can buried 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, under the ground. Hearing coins rattle inside, they spilled out the contents and found a truly rare and unusual coin hoard, reported Elysium. The rare coin hoard consisted of more than 260 coins, dating to between 1610 and 1727 AD. A single Brazilian coin was notable as it was in circulation in England in the 1720s. Interestingly, included in the cache are 2 coins which are of greater value because they have mint errors. A George I guinea from 1720 with 2 tail sides instead of the king's head on one side has been valued at around $4,590, 4,610 euros by the auctioneer. And a Charles II guinea from 1675 has the king's name in Latin spelled incorrectly as Crolles instead of Carols, and is expected to fetch about $1,725, 1,733 euros. Metro.co quotes Gregory Edmund, an auctioneer with Spink & Son, as saying, "This is a fascinating and highly important discovery. It is extraordinarily rare for hoards of English gold coins to ever come onto the marketplace. This find of over 260 coins is also one of the largest on archaeological record from Britain." They're not mint-perfect coins. They are coins that have had a hard life. It is a wonderful and truly unexpected discovery from so unassuming a fine location. As a coin specialist of many years' experience, I cannot recall a similar discovery in living memory, and it is therefore an enormous privilege to be able to properly document and explore this hoard for the benefit of future generations. Edmund added that the remarkable rare coin hoard accurately reflects the 50 pounds and 100 pounds coins that were used in 1610 to 1727 AD England.